Okay guys, this is going to be a different kind of tyrant alert. Here's what we got going on. There's a gentleman up in the Northwest, specifically in Portland, Oregon, named son of Hightower. His name's Eli, okay? And these guys are some pretty aggressive cop watchers. Recently, they've been trying to interview the public relations officer for the Portland Police Bureau and the DA, and of course these people in their official capacity refuse to deal with, non-mainstream media, the media they can control. So in an effort to interview these people, these citizen journalists have gone to the officers and the DA's personal residence. Now, my personal take is that so long as they leave my family out of it, I leave their family out of it. That's the way I do business, and it's the way I've always been about it. I don't think that it's necessarily the right thing to do. However, it's not against the law. So what the DA has done, they arrested Eli and some other cop watchers up there and have charged them. And what they've done with Eli especially is they have set his bond. He has 5 misdemeanor charges pending, and I'll put up a screenshot here of that in a minute. Trespassing, interfering, all the usual contempt of cop stuff. They set his bond for these misdemeanor charges at $250,000. This is punitive. This is punishment. They want to keep him in jail, out of the way, and this is how they're going to do it. They're going to set a ridiculous amount of bond so that he can't get out of jail. In the meantime, nobody's paying his bills. He's going to lose his home, his job, his car, everything will be gone. Because this DA is abusing his position to punish somebody that he doesn't like, that the Portland police don't like. And the really stupid thing here is there's a judge going right along with this, saying it's okay. And that is unacceptable. I'll put some contact information in the description. I'll add a few links in the description to videos that have been posted by Eli, son of Hightower. And there's also another channel that's up there that was around right after Eli got arrested. And so here's how this works. This guy comes out of his house. He's upset because Eli had been near his house. There's another activist there. He comes out, snatches the activist's cell phone, takes it into his garage, beats it to death with a hammer, takes a power saw and cuts it in half, brings it back and gives it back to the activist. The police charged this guy, and when he got to court, guess what happened? This very same district attorney dropped all charges. Now, I can tell you here in Texas, somebody snatches a phone out of your hand, that's robbery. And it's a good way to get shot out on the street. But for sure, it'll get you a charge of, if not robbery, aggravated robbery, meaning that there was violence. But this DA is so desperate to punish these cop watchers, that he's forgetting about the law. He's forgetting about what's right and wrong, and he's just going to do what he wants to do. And that is not how it works. Unfortunately, there are no consequences for this DA up there right now. So those of you that think this is wrong, and like I said, everything, the links are in the description, have a First Amendment right to let these people know that they're screwing up. And contact information for that district attorney and the judge are in the description. Eli's arrest video will be there, and there's a video there from Mike Bluehair where the district attorney dropped charges against the guy that snatched the other activist's phone, and he's in court bragging about how he hacked up that phone. So, guys, I'm by the time you see this video, I've already been on the phone, and I hope that you will too. Thanks, and sorry, this like I said, this is a little different kind of tyrant alert. However, it is absolutely necessary, because if this tactic works, if this district attorney gets away with this, they'll start using this everywhere. It's already bad, but this tactic will be used everywhere against police accountability activists. And who else is next? You know, we're on the forefront. We're the tip of the spear. But it's just a matter of time before they work their way down the shaft to the rest of the people. So anybody that's politically incorrect, you know, how long before this tactic gets used on them, or you, or someone you know? Think on that. Guys, be safe, and we'll see you again soon.